No one likes to be uncomfortable while they're working, and there is no question that a more comfortable worker is a more productive worker. People whose jobs have them consistently standing in one place for long stretches of time will find that their feet begin to hurt, and the pain and soreness will work its way up to the back. If you're one of those people, like an assembly line worker, I'm not telling you anything new. Fortunately, a great solution is already here in the form of anti-fatigue matting. While you're selecting a mat, remember, it's not about finding the best mat. It's about finding the best mat to suit your needs. The location where the mat will be used can determine quite a few things. Consider factors like what sort of chemicals the mat might be exposed to, what kind of traffic it will see, and what size area it needs to cover. Mats are listed by specific sizes for easy ordering, but some materials can be cut to custom sizes to fit your specific application. Some features, like beveled edges, will be found on most mats. Beveled edges are a safety feature which reduces the trip hazard caused by the thickness of the mat. Other features will be specific to material and design. Take this diamond plate patterned mat. The diamond embossed surface looks good, but it also provides traction and resistance to slipping. It's a sponge coat mat, which means that the durable surface is bonded to a resilient sponge base. In this case, the mat has a Caroseal vinyl surface bonded to a Nitrocell base. The Caroseal vinyl top makes the mat resistant to grease and chemicals and non-flammable as well. The Nitrocell base provides a comfortable sponginess, but needs a dry workspace. This mat is perfect for the shipping dock, shop, warehouse, or the assembly line. Compare that to this waffle-based mat. The thick rubber construction gives it anti-fatigue properties and makes it chemical and flame resistant. When you couple that with the waffle pattern, you can add skid resistant to the list. That same durability means it can be used in wet or dry areas. Some mats are available with a DynaShield protective coating. It's applied to foam materials like this closed-cell PVC sponge mat. The protective coating is long-lasting and gives the mat greater abrasion resistance and durability. This particular mat has a ribbed surface with wide channels for better traction. This one is for dry areas. Here we have a specialized mat. The rubber surface covers a natural rubber sponge base. It can repel sparks and hot metal shards, making it the ideal mat for welding areas. The natural rubber sponge base provides part of the resilience of this mat, but also requires that it be used in dry areas and is kept away from petroleum-based fluids. This mat's most important feature is its 5/8 inch thickness and anti-fatigue properties. It is a very comfortable mat designed for industrial environments and is much more than just a heavy-duty safety mat. It has a striped safety strip on the long sides. The nitrile rubber top resists most chemicals and petroleum-based fluids. The nitrile rubber top is static dissipative and weld safe. This is a mat that features a premium urethane sponge encapsulated in a 1/8 inch urethane skin. Urethane sponges are far more resilient than any other sponge available. The urethane skin is abrasion and chemical resistant. They hold up to traffic so well that they have a 10-year resilience warranty. They're long-lasting and provide superior traction for dry areas. Zedlin Foam is a patented vinyl closed-cell foam that has a high resiliency and a softer texture. This Zedlin mat has a top of marbleized rubber. They resist most chemicals and common fluids, but they shouldn't be used in areas where they might come in contact with petrochemicals or cutting fluids. Drainage mats let spills through their large drainage holes while they maintain good footing and keep workers' feet dry. And because of drain holes, the mats are lighter and easy to handle. They're beneficial in dry, wet, and moderately greasy areas. This series of mats features an interlocking system that's fast and easy to assemble. Two adjacent sides have tabbed male edges, while the opposite sides have female edges. Just lay them out in the same direction and connect them. They can be configured to turn corners. They can also be used to cover a stretch of tricky footing and conveniently be assembled around machinery. There are solid tiles and drainage tiles available. Both have knobbed undersides and can be ordered in 3 different materials: First, all-purpose grease-resistant rubber. Second, cutting fluid-resistant rubber, which is for use around mineral oil-based compounds and cutting fluids, but not for use with petroleum-based fluids. And finally, they are available in nitrile rubber, whose excellent chemical resistance is ideal for use around all petroleum-based fluids. It also holds up well to many cutting fluids. Both CFR and nitrile options can be ordered with Gritworks non-slip coating. On solid tiles, this coating is effective in dry, wet, or greasy areas. And on drainage tiles, it works well in wet areas with exposure to slippery fluids. There is a wide selection of options of materials to choose from in order to outfit your workspace. Whatever solutions you choose, remember that they simply make people more comfortable and productive. Plus, they also make them and their surroundings safer. Explore the large variety of anti-fatigue matting available, and you're likely to find matting for every place in your workspace, from the kitchen to the dock.